Need to convert an M4A recording to MP3? This workflow is useful when a player, editor, or upload form does not accept M4A. I will show the complete process, verify what the tool produces, and explain the one limitation that matters. Open M4A to MP3 Converter on AudioFetcher. The media processing workflow runs locally in your browser, so the selected file is not uploaded to an AudioFetcher media server. Keep the tab open until the result is ready. Choose a M4A. The page confirms the selected item before processing. For tools that accept several inputs, the order shown here is the order used in the result. Choose 192 or 256 kbps to avoid an unnecessarily low-quality transcode. Use settings that match the destination rather than selecting the largest number automatically. Then start the tool and wait for the local engine to finish. The completed workflow produces a conventional MP3 with the same duration. Download or inspect the result before closing the page. The automated AudioFetcher test suite also opens this output with FFprobe and verifies its expected stream properties. M4A usually contains compressed AAC, so converting cannot improve it. Keep the original until you have listened to or inspected the result. The direct tool link and a written summary are in the description.